Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Lite without a virtual private network. Many players want to enjoy this popular game without the extra step of connecting to a VPN service. Playing without a VPN can often provide a smoother and more responsive gaming experience, as it reduces potential latency issues. We will focus on legitimate methods to get you into the action directly. This guide offers practical steps to bypass the need for a constant VPN connection. Your first and most crucial step is to check if PUBG Mobile Lite is officially available in your region's App Store. Simply open your device's Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS, then type PUBG Mobile Lite into the search bar. If the game appears, you are in luck. Download and install it directly from there. This ensures you receive the official, legitimate version, free from any third-party modifications, and playable without a VPN. This simple check can save you a lot of time and effort. If PUBG Mobile Lite is not listed in your region's official app store, your next option is to find a trusted APK source. Websites like APK Pure or APK Mirror often host official game files that are not regionally restricted. Always exercise caution and verify the website's reputation before downloading any file to your device. You may need to temporarily install unknown apps in your phone's security settings. Remember to disable this setting again after a successful installation for enhanced security. Boiling is another excellent and very quick way to prepare your snow crab legs. Begin by filling a large pot with plenty of water, ensuring there is enough space for the crab legs to be fully submerged. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water, then bring it to a rapid, rolling boil. Carefully place the thawed crab legs into the actively boiling water. Let them boil for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, just long enough to heat them through completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.